Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and today I will give you some idea about mortar and pestle. So it is a simple tool which is basically used to crush and grind ingredients into fine paste or powder. It has been used in cooking and culinary practices and also in pharmaceutical industries from time immemorial. So, what is mortar? It is a bowl shaped container, and pestle is a rod type of thing that may be heavy or light depending upon the material used for the making of the pestle. It is used to grind and pound the material against the mortar. Now, depending upon the material, mortars and pestles are of different types. Like ceramic, they are made up of porcelain and they are non porous. So, they are great for oily or wet ingredients grinding. Cast iron, it is durable, heavy, it is useful for large batches of materials or when forceful grinding is necessary. Granite, useful for grinding of large scale materials such as spice mixer of batch, large batch. Stoneware, it is porous than porcelain. Disadvantage is that moisture absorption occurs. Wood is used for mixing of spices, useful for dry grinding. Disadvantage is that moisture absorption occurs, and the absorption of moisture is more than that of the stoneware also. So it cannot be used for oily or wet grinding. Bell metal. It is used in pharmaceutical applications traditionally for chemical grinding. Agate, it is hard and durable. It is suitable to grind fine powders and to maintain flavors of ingredients. Next is glass mortar pestle. It is suitable for grinding and mixing. It is useful for grinding of colored ingredient because it is transparent and the color can be seen easily. Cleaning of this material is very easy. Molkazet. So it is a traditional mortar and pestle. It is made up of basalt. That means the rock which is obtained from the lava. It is larger and shallower and porous. It is used in Mexican cuisine. The porous and rough texture enhances grinding and extraction of flavor. Now, depending upon shape, they are of different types. Round shape, these are most common. Suribachi, it is a Japanese style thing that is used by Japanese people. It has ridges inside the bowl for enhancing grinding. U shape, it is a variety of mortar with a more wide opening than the round one. It is deeper also. So this is the picture of mortar and pestle. This is mortar, this is pestle. So how to grind the material inside mortar and pestle? First of all, we will take the material inside the mortar, and after that we will grind it with the help of the pestle against the wall of the mortar. The wall of the mortar is rough enough so that the material will not stick in the wall and a good grinding occurs. And this process of mixing and grinding is known as trituration. Now, applications. Cook in case of cooking, grinding whole spices such as cardamom, clove, etc., and extracting the flavors, making paste of fine consistency such as garlic paste, mixing ingredients such as herbs, nuts, spices into dressings, sausage, etc., glucamole and dips making, crushing and masking ingredients such as garlic, ginger, nuts, etc. Laboratories and pharmacies. It has been used in grinding solid chemicals to make fine powder so that it can be easily dissolved or mixed with solvents. Mixing pharmaceutical ingredients to make different formulations. In previously, the prescriptions are prepared on spot, and it is prepared by first of all grinding the materials in a mortar and pestle, then mixing them with different solvents and formulations, and after that it has been given to the patient. In soil science, for soil testing to break down the lumps of soil. In art, grinding of pigments and other materials for painting for art projects. In music, it is used for creation of percussive sounds and rhythmic patterns. Stoneware, in this case, the mortar and pestle made up of stoneware is useful to make good percussive sounds and rhythmic patterns. Mortar and pestles of other materials such as aluminums are also used nowadays. So, this is a brief discussion regarding the mortar and pestle, how it works, and what are the types, what are the materials used. And one more thing I want to add that mortar and pestles are of different sizes. Some are small for simple or home use, and some are big enough for used in the batches. Some are handheld and some are large. So here I am ending my today's video. See you in my next video, and if you guys like my videos, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.